Dear customers and partners, a very warm welcome to the Anuga FoodTec 2022 in Cologne. We are more than happy to meet you personally again after such a long COVID break. Krones is offering a huge variety of solutions for the food and beverage production and packaging in all different market segments, from complete solutions until single components. The focus topic on this exhibition is quite clear: plant-based drinks. On the one hand, it's huge market potential for the future. On the other hand, it's a very promising answer, one promising answer to the challenging question about how to feed the world's population in the future. Krones, with its unique position and experience, has developed a variety of different solutions fitting perfect to your dedicated requirements. Our specialists waiting for you and having intensive discussions for you. Hope to see you soon.
Ba 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 da da.